scare you forward. And you know that how it's all the way down. Hey everybody, welcome back to another Ford Ranger video, a long overdue video. I took a couple weeks off for the holidays. I had some family in town, so I'm just getting back to my projects now. And I decided to go ahead and paint the wheels of my Ranger. These wheels came on the truck when I bought it, and they're black. There's nothing wrong with them. I like them. But I decided to mix it up a little bit, and I picked up some of this. If you can see in the sun here, it's the actual color is Metallic Dark Bronze, and I think that'll look pretty nice. Still give it some dark features, but you know, change it up a little bit. I'm going to do the center in there, possibly also the center cap. For right now, I'm going to leave this outside. I guess it's a fake beadlock, but I may possibly paint that red and leave the bolts the color they are, kind of that anodized gold color, but that's open for discussion, I guess. So the truck is pretty dirty. It's been raining, it's been driven in the rain. So I guess the first thing to do is, I'm also gonna repaint these lug nuts because they're kind of a little rusty there. Like I said, the wheel's dirty and it's all wet. So the first thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and jack up the front and remove this wheel, clean it, scuff it, and prepare to paint it. So stand by. All right, I got the first wheel off. It's cleaned and scuffed and cleaned again. And we had a storm last night, and there's a lot of clouds. I don't think it's supposed to rain again today, but it is kind of humid out here now because of last night's rain. Plus everything's all wet. So I'm gonna let this warm up in the sun for a bit. I hope it's gonna be okay. As far as humidity, you know, and the paint reacting, should be okay. But I am definitely gonna leave this black outer ring. This is actually all one piece. So I'm gonna tape off in here, spray everything inside the bronze. I think I'm also going to spray the center cap. So I'll leave this in the sun for about 10 more minutes maybe while I get prepared and tape everything off. All right, it's all ready for paint. So I'm going to give it a coat, or actually several coats of this. Again, this is Metallic Dark Bronze, made by Rustoleum. So it's been in the sun for a while. The can is decently warm. Got the other two in the sun over there. So wish me luck. All right, I got the first light coat on, and it does cover very well. And I actually really like it. It's not too gold. It's not too gray. Just kind of a nice bronze color. Definitely a different color than I have on the auto wheels. I thought I was originally going to paint these wheels that color, but then I found this particular shade and decided this was the way to go. So let that dry for a few minutes. Put on probably a second really good coat, let that dry, and then I'm going to do some clear coat over top just for good measure. So yeah, I'm really liking the way this is looking so far. You can see how it looks in the sun. Looks really good. I like it. While I'm waiting for that to dry, I'm going to go ahead and give these lug nuts a coat of this gloss black. It's what I have. I don't expect they'll be perfect. They're just gonna get scratched up when you put them on and off again, but it's gonna be better than those rusty splines. All right, a couple nice coats of clear later, and you can see they look good, nice and shiny. I decided to put a clear coat over that paint just for a little added protection. So I'll let this dry. Take the paper off and then mount it back to the truck. I don't know, I guess I'm kind of unsure about painting the center caps. I think I'm gonna leave them black for now, put them on, And then I'll let you guys tell me what you think, whether I should leave them black or whether I should paint them the color of the wheels. I think black only because I'm leaving the beadlock black on the outside, plus the lug nuts will be black, so I don't know. We'll see how it looks when it's all assembled. All right, this first wheel is nearly dry, and I had to do a little bit of a touch-up. There was just a bit of a corner right there where the paper was folded over, so I did a spot of the color. Once that dries, I'll blend it in with some clear, and this wheel will be done. Man, I really like it. I like it a lot. And the best thing is, this whole thing costs less than 20 bucks to do, and it's easily reversible. You can pretty much paint wheels any color you want. So, sounds like a win to me. All right, the left front is done. What do you think? I really like it. I'm leaning towards leaving that center cap black, but I guess I'll put that in the put it in the comments if you think I should leave it black or paint it body color. It does tend to match, the rest of the black that's on there. Now I'm going to go ahead and when I'm all done, I'll polish up this lip right there because it's a little dull. A nice wheel, but I think the details are just kind of lost because everything is black. And there you are with the dark bronze. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the other three. Wheel 2. Let that tack up, do a second coat. Second one's all finished. I love the way it turned out. Of course, it matches the front one. I'm gonna go ahead and get started on the other two. I won't show those since I've already shown two, but once I'm all done, I'll do a final reveal, so hope you stay tuned. All right, after a couple hours work, it's done. I'm very happy with the results. Quite a difference. I like the wheels. I didn't buy these wheels, they actually came on the truck. And they're Vision Manx, and they're still available. I found them on eBay. The link is in one of my, or two of my other videos, but you can definitely search Vision Manx. These are 15x8s. And I know they come in different colors. They don't come in this color. They come in black. I think they probably also come in silver. But anyway, this is much more fitting for the color of my truck. So I'm pretty happy with the results. It's got a nice gloss to it, nice metal flake in there. I'll go around the other side, although it's in the shadows, so you won't necessarily be able to see it as well. Like I said before, easily changeable if I decide that I don't like them or I want to do a different color. But for now, I'm quite happy. Let me know what you guys think. I love reading the comments and I reply to pretty much every single one of them. So feel free to leave a comment. And if you want to reach out to me, you can do so on Instagram. My Instagram is the same name of OhYeahAboutThat, or my email, OhYeahAboutThat@yahoo.com. So any questions, let me know. Until next time, I'll catch you on the flip side. Oh, by the way, I definitely have more videos coming for the Miata. Not so many more videos for this truck because it's pretty much where I want it, but I still will have videos filtering out. But the next project I'm going to turn my attention to is going to be the Miata because I need to finish painting it. Got a bunch of used parts to install. So either way, hope you consider subscribing. Thanks again.